Okay, let's begin. In this site, you will see the valuable list of companies, and this is your company info. If your screen doesn't look like this, press alternate F on your keyboard and you will get the company info. Go to create company, enter the company name. This will be your mailing ID for your company. For example, new market. Choose the state over here, pin code. Enter all the relevant information here. Just keep going, and at the end, save your company. Once the company is created, it's time we make our ledgers. From the gateway of Tally, go to accounts info, ledgers, and then create. Here we will be creating our ledger. In my case, Mr. A will be my first ledger. Come down. He is the owner of the business and has starting or opening balance, we say. This falls into capital account. Enter all the relevant information and save the ledgers. Okay, create another ledger. In my case, this is State Bank of India. Since all the banks will fall under bank accounts, I'll be choosing bank accounts over here. Enter all the relevant information like the account numbers, IFSC code, relevant codes. Fill up all the details here. Simply drag it down and save your ledgers. Create another one that will be Central Bank of India. That still comes under bank account. Keep going. Fill up all the details here and save. Till here we have created our company and ledgers. Now it's time to create accounting vouchers. Come back. From the gateway of Tally, click on accounting vouchers. For the receipt voucher, we will be pressing F6 on the keyboard or click the receipt icon over here. And the account, choose cash. From the particular, choose Mr. A and enter your amount. In my case, it's 50,000. Save your voucher. Create another voucher. For a banking transaction, we'll be pressing F4 or you choose from the list. That is Contra. Here I will be choosing State Bank of India. That is cash and particular. The amount you transfer to the bank. Just keep going here. No denominations required. Save. Create another voucher. That is Central Bank of India. Again cash 5,000 here. No denominations required for now. Just keep going. This is the narration section. You can narrate your transaction light. Recurring deposit for the deposit for the month of May 2020. Once the voucher is created, now we come back to the gateway of Tally and go to balance sheet. There you will check. In the right section, at the liability section, you will see the capital account. You have entered 50,000 and the name of Mr. A. And in this section, at the current asset, you will be saying cash in hand and bank account. Open up the bank account. You will say State Bank, we have 35,000, and in Central Bank, we have 5,000. As a total, 40,000 is in bank and 10,000 is in hand. Let's come back and display. Go to display and daybook. There you will see your record for the day. The very first voucher passed was receipt voucher. That's cash, Mr. A, a 50,000 credit amount. Come back, you will see another voucher. That is of Contra, State Bank, from cash. Another voucher, Central Bank, and then cash. If you need to print this voucher, open up, press alternate P on your keyboard, and you will see your default printer here. Default printing, the language of your print, and then simply press yes. This will print out your voucher.